at booths like Rehmatnagar to cast their votes. The bypoll was necessitated by the death of BRS MLA Maganti Gopinath. Over 4.01 lakh voters are eligible across 407 polling stations with tight security including drone surveillance and CRPF deployment. The triangular contest features Congress's Naveen Yadav, BRS's Sunita Gopinath and BJP's L. Deepak Reddy. A very good morning to all our viewers and welcome back. Polling continues in the high-stakes Jubilee Hills Assembly by-election here in Hyderabad. Since morning, we have seen steady voter participation and the contest remains closely watched with 58 candidates in the fray and over 4 lakh voters eligible. Our correspondent Sandeep is reporting from Good Citizens Concept School, Venkatagiri, tracking the developments as the day progresses. Let's go straight to him for the latest. So Sandeep, how has voter turnout progressed since the morning? Are we seeing a steady increase or any slowdown? So Sandeep, how is the polling going on so far? Have you seen any steady increase in the number of voters or is there a decline?
He's in a call. Polling station is in a very densely residential area. We are having one of the voter over here. Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much for speaking to us. How are the arrangements, ma'am?
అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ బాగున్నాయండి. ఓకే, కూల్గానే జరుగుతుంది. వాలంటీర్స్ కూడా కోఆర్డినేట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, 5-10 మినిట్స్లో ఓటు వేసేసాము.
జనరల్ ఎలక్షన్ కి బై ఎలక్షన్ కి మీకు ఏమైనా తేడా కనపడిందా నీకు?
జనరల్ ఎలక్షన్ క్రౌడ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా ఉందండి.
క్రౌడ్ ఎక్కువ, లోపల ఎక్కువ కనిపించలేదు?
ఎక్కువ లేదు.
మీకు ఈ రోజు ఓటింగ్ వేయటం ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
బాగుందండి.
అంటే నార్మల్ గా ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నాం చాలా వరకు బైపో ఎలక్షన్ కి ఒక 1 hour ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి ప్లస్ హాలిడే కూడా ఇచ్చారు. ఇది వరకు ఇలాగ అవ్వలేదు.
అవునండి, పర్వాలేదండి, ముందులాగానే ఉంది.
అండ్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే కొంచెం సెక్యూరిటీ పెంచామని మీకు అది కనపడుతుంది.
సెక్యూరిటీ అయితే ఫుల్ ఉంది.
ఓటర్స్ కన్నా సెక్యూరిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు
ఉంది. మాకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయితే లేదండి, ఇప్పుడైతే ఏమీ అనిపించలేదు అక్కడ.
మెడికల్ అండ్ అన్ని ఉన్నాయి మీకు.
వాలంటీర్స్ కూడా కోఆర్డినేట్ చేశారు. సిప్స్ అవి కూడా తొందరనే రాసిస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ ద కోఆపరేషన్. And that is the reaction of the voter. She is saying that she is absolutely very much happy with the arrangements, and she is saying that actually security is also very well organized. And frankly speaking, actually the talk is actually the voters are not so far in this particular polling booth is to some extent sparse, but actually it is one by one it is going. And just now actually the Congress candidate Naveen Yadav has also visited this particular youth and encouraged the fellow voters. We are having another. Encouraged the fellow voters to cast their vote, and slowly this particular voter turnout is increasing. The arrangements are very much active in this particular area, and we are joined with so many security personnel. They are very much saying that actually this particular face of this particular booth should not be covered, and very much this indicates that security, they are not compromising with any piece of the security arrangements over here. Completely they are saying that they are restricting the non-ID holders. Only the people, either voters or the security personnel over here are. Yes, we can see Naveen Yadav over there. Naveen Yadav, the Congress candidate, is showing his finger, his mark. You can very well say voters are very much enthusiastic. Voters are very much enthusiastic. We can see the voters are very much enthusiastic, and also they are clicking the selfies with the Congress candidate Naveen Yadav. We will try to get him. So, yes, Mr. Naveen Yadav, as we have seen, he has gone into this side and he encouraged voters, and so many voters are very much enthusiastic in getting the selfies with him, and he simply cooperated and he left to another polling booth, and he has casted his vote in another polling booth in Jubilee Hills, where his voter identity card is there, and now he has come to Venkatagiri, and we have seen him in another polling booth also in the morning. This is all his final trials to draw the attention of the voters. Not only Naveen Yadav, whereas Maganti Sunita also casted her vote. We have seen other film celebrities also casting their vote in different polling booths as well. So the crowd is very much enthusiastic, and this particular school we have seen the agents are really on part and on duty, on vigil. They are very much vigilant in their duties. So we are seeing a very much rhythmic atmosphere, and as we have spoken to one of the voter in just now, she said that actually she did not feel any differences between the arrangements between the general election on this bypoll. In fact, she said that actually she felt very happy when these security arrangements what she has seen, though the expected voter turnout is to some extent low, but still they did not compromise on any piece of arrangements. The medical facilities are also, the portable medical vans are also going, the portable women helpline is also going, everything is on spa, everything is on very huge thing. And especially last evening we have seen there was a blast in Delhi, and on that particular issue the Home Ministry has advised to revamp the security arrangements on all the critical areas throughout the country, and this is directly affecting mainly two areas. One is the Bihar election, where the elections are going, the second phase of elections are going on in there, and also in Hyderabad, in Odisha, where the by-elections are happening. By-elections are happening in the states of Telangana and also in Odisha, and in Jubilee Hills, which is this is a very celebrity-prone area. So, frankly speaking, the arrangements are very well organized, and in few of the areas, the security personnel are more when compared to the number of the voters, and the only difference what we are seeing is the flash news. What we have got is the Jubilee Hills polling percentage that is released is 20.76% so far. 20.76%. It is till 11 o'clock. So the first numbers have come out. 20% is a decent number. We can say 20% is a very decent number, and later on, if this particular phase continues till the evening, we are having one of the voter over here. Ma'am, आपने वोट किया?
जी
कैसा लगा आपको अरेंजमेंट्स अंदर?
बहुत अच्छा।
And how about the arrangements? What exactly are there? How much time it has taken? कितना देर लगा आपको वोट करने में?
5 मिनट।
5 मिनट में। और पहले वाले इलेक्शंस में और आपके इलेक्शंस में आपने कोई फर्क देखा?
जी बहुत फर्क है। पहले बहुत देर लगता था, बहुत देर लाइन में लगना पड़ता था, अभी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
उसके अलावा कोई और डिफरेंस देखा था आपको सिक्योरिटी में? आज छुट्टी भी नहीं?
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। अंदर देर नहीं लगी मेरे को बिल्कुल भी, और सब लोग अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं, अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं।
जब आप अंदर थे तब नवीन यादव जी
मैं
नहीं नजर नहीं यार. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. So that is the thing where every voter is saying that the arrangements are very well organized. The only difference what they are seeing is the lines are very less. The number of the voters are very less when compared to the previous election to this election. Means she is referring that when compared to the general elections and this, the voter numbers are less. But when compared to the securities and all that, there is no difference. The security arrangements are very well organized, and within just 5 minutes, everybody is coming, voting, and just we are having, and we are having another voter, sir.
How much time it took to
How much time it took to vote, sir?
towards కి దాదాపు ఒక 5 minutes పట్టి ఉంటుంది.
5 minutes పడుతుందా? ముందు ఎలక్షన్స్ కి ఇప్పటికి ఏం తేడా తెలిసింది సార్?
ఇప్పుడైతే క్యాండిడేట్స్ అనేది కొంచెం మారింది కదా. వైఫ్ ఇప్పుడు మాకంటిది అయితే వైఫే కదా.
తేడా అనేది ఏం కనిపించలేదు సేమ్.
అంటే తేడా అనేది ఏం కనిపించలేదు సేమ్ ఆ సిటీస్
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా ఏంటంటే
అంటే బై ఎలక్షన్ కి జనరల్ ఎలక్షన్ కి అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ రోజు కూడా హాలిడే డిక్లేర్ చేశారు చుట్టుపక్కల. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే మిగతా ఏరియాస్ లో లేదు. దాని ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏమన్నా మీరు అనిపిస్తుందా?
ఏం లేదు.
మీరు ఇంకా ఓటర్స్ ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్ ఏం చెప్పదలుచుకున్నారు? ఇంకా రావండి అని మీ ద్వారా చెప్పండి సార్ కొంచెం.
ఇంకా రావండి నేను చెప్పలేము. నా ఇంట్లో ఇద్దరు రాలేదు.
దేనికని
రాలేదు ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు రాలేదు.
అంటే వర్క్ విషయంలో అంటున్నారు.
విషయంలో రాలేదు.
వర్క్ వెళ్ళాలని రాలేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అంటే సిటీలో అయితే సెలవు లేదు.
అదే సార్, అంటే మార్నింగ్ ఓట్ వేసేసి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఈవినింగ్ 6 వరకు ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయ్యి ఉంది. వీలుంటే కొంచెం తొందరగా వచ్చి ఓట్ వేయమనండి.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. వీఆర్ జాయిన్ విత్ అనదర్ ఓటర్. నమస్తే సార్.
నా పేరు వినోద్ కుమార్.
వేసారా? ఓట్ వేసేసారా? వచ్చారా? ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
బాగానే ఉంది సార్.
ఎంతసేపు పట్టింది మీరు లోపల ఓటేయడానికి?
15 నిమిషాలు సార్. 15 నిమిషాలు.
ముందు ప్రీవియస్ ఎలక్షన్స్ కి ఇప్పటికీ మీకు ఏమైనా తేడా తెలుస్తుందా? అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ కానీ దేనికి కానీ ఏం తేడా తెలియట్లేదు. మీ వర్క్ ప్లేస్ ఎక్కడ? నార్మల్ గా జాబ్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తారు?
ఇక్కడ వివాహ భోజనం హోటల్ ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో సీనియర్ క్యాప్టెన్ గా చేస్తున్నాం.
ఓకే సో అందుకని మీకు ఏం తేడా అనిపించింది అక్కడ హాలిడే డిక్లేర్ చేశారు
అవును సార్
రమ్మండి.
వాళ్ళు ఏమనలేదు
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
చేసి రమ్మండి
థ్యాంక్ యూ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
ఒక నిమిషం చెప్పండి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం
చెప్పండి జరా నాకు ఇల్లు రాలేదు గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి అందు గురించి జరా ఇది చేస్తున్నా నాకు ఇల్లు రావాలి
हिंदी में बोल
हिंदी में बोल
हाँ?
हिंदी में भी बोल सकते
मेरे को घर नहीं आया मैडम घर आना मेरे को घर नहीं है मैं मेहनत करके घरों में काम करके जीती हूँ मैं।
इस विषय में क्या बात करना चाहते हैं कि
तो आप इस विषय में क्या बात करना चाहते हैं कि किससे अर्जी आपने पेश किया था
आज एप्लीकेशन
अर्जी आपने पेश किया था आज एप्लीकेशन डाले थे क्या
एप्लीकेशन डाली थी कैसे रहना है में दी थी मैं
तो
उनके ऑफिस में भी दी
तो तब क्या रिस्पांस मिला आपको
हाँ देते बोल को बोले
देते बोल के बोले लेकिन अभी तक नहीं आया
उनका इंतकाल होगा ना और गाओ
तो आप क्या मतलब
कोई भी आओ कैसे रहना आए तो हमारे को घर मिलता बोल के हमारे को उम्मीद है हाँ,
तो जो भी आएंगे तो मैं आशा करता हूँ
होना किधर से भी घर होना मैं मेहनत करके घरों में काम करके जीती हूँ मैं
आपके घर में सभी लोग आए क्या
हाँ सब हाँ दो चारों का है चारों भी आए डाले
चारों पे
हाँ
बहुत
चारों को है वोटिंग चारों भी डाले हाँ देखो मैं अभी डाल के जा रही अभी डाल के जा रही वोटिंग हाँ,
और अंदर
तभी भी डालते और अंदर अरेंजमेंट्स में कोई फर्क देखा आपको
नहीं कुछ नहीं
सब कुछ अच्छा है
बहुत जल्दी हो गया है।
हाँ
बहुत जल्दी भी हो गया
हाँ जल्दी भी होगा सब अच्छा है थैंक यू
So that is the thing actually this one particular lady
So that is the thing. Actually, this one particular lady is saying that she has given so many applications regarding the Indiramma Illu, and she has personally even given the requisition to former MLA, and she is saying that whoever wins, she wants the Indiramma Illu applications to be finalized on priority basis, and she is anticipating that all the pending things, whatever the citizens of this particular area to the Jubilee Hills area should be fulfilling
Sandeep.
and on.
We have a question here. Are there particular polling stations reporting heavier crowds compared to others in the Jubilee Hills? Is there a particular polling station that has witnessed huge crowd when compared to the other polling stations?
Which issues that come to every house, and two more things actually interesting, the points that whatever the voters have said that one of the voters said that they stay in the local area, his workplace is also nearby, and the holiday is declared, and if not the holiday is declared, they said that to go cast their votes and to come, they are very much encouraging. Another man is saying that actually two of his family members could not vote because they work in the high-tech city, and because of that their family members could not come and vote. But yet from CAVR English, we have requested him personally that to encourage his children to come early from the office to take the permission, because we have seen another voter, he is saying that he has taken the permission from his. Of course, there is a little bit variance between the workplaces between the two voters. One could be from IT and one could be from logistics based industry. There could be difference, but yet no one has any right to stop somebody from voting. And from CVR English, it is our pleasant request, sincere request to everyone to cast their vote. And finally, I would like to remind you the percentage release is 20.76, which is a decent number. And I'm Sandeep, reporting from Venkatagiri Yusufguda, along with cameraman Shivram. Thank you very much. Back to the studio.
So Sandeep, here we want to know if... Thank you, Sandeep. Here we want to know that is there a particular polling booth or station area which has reported more crowd compared to the other stations? Okay, thank you, Sandeep. You said ask other questions.
This is Dr. Shantan Palwai, consultant orthopedic surgeon.
I'm Dr. Rohit Kiran Fadnis. I am a consultant general surgeon at Image Hospitals.
In this camp, we would like to advise you about your